Welcome to our featured chord. I don't even know if I should be teaching you this chord. It's called the diminished 7th chord. And it consists of the notes. I'm playing it starting on D. It consists of the notes D, F, A flat, and B. So it's a really cool chord if you want to pretend that you're some evil railway baron buying up all sorts of farmland for your railway. It's also interesting because it's made up only of minor thirds. So that's a minor third, that's a minor third, and that's a minor third. So that's why it sounds so evil. So the way to practice it, a great way to do that is just to work with it chromatically. You can build lots of intensity by just stacking those 4 sets of minor thirds. All right, so that's the diminished 7th chord. Super dangerous chord. Use it sparingly, and be sure to check out our channel for more sweet chords and tips.